So our final section of this class is going to cover the average value of a function, section 5.5. And we know it's easy to calculate the average of numbers as we do an equation where we add up all the numbers and then divide by the total number of numbers that there are in the set, and that gives us it. If we want to find the value of a function, however, it should make sense that if you take the f of xi values and then divide by how many there are, you can kind of find the average value of it. If f represents the temperature and then is 24, we can take the temperature readings every hour and average them by doing the change in x is equal to b minus a over n. So we can solve for n and obtain the following. And so as you can see, we've got f of x over b minus a change in x. And so we end up just flipping over the 1 over b minus a and multiplying by that change in x, and you get the nice little equation where you have 1 minus b, or 1 over b minus a, and then the summation, which ultimately this turns into the integral because that's what we know it as. And so we have 1 over b minus a, and then your integral function like I just mentioned. And so let's try and use this. So we've got the average value of a function from 1 plus x squared on the interval of -2 to 2. So if we do this one, we have 1 over b minus a, integral from a to b, f of x dx. Okay, so if we do this, we have 1 over 2 minus -1 in this case, integral from -1 to 2 of 1 plus x squared dx. Very nice and neat function. This is going to be 1 over 2 minus -1 is 3. Integral -1 to 2, 1 plus x squared dx. Then we have 1/3 times x plus x cubed over 3, 2 to -1, and then we just plug in. So we have 1/3, 2 plus 2 to the 3rd over 3 minus -1 plus -1 to the 3rd over 3. Okay, so this is 2 plus 8/3. By the way, this is in parentheses, so this should be plus 1. This is negative, this is negative, this is positive, plus 1/3. And then we get 3 plus 9 over 3, which is 6. And so 6 times 1/3 is equal to 2. And let's make sure this is correct. Is it? Yes, so 2 is your average value for this. And so that would be how you, that would be how you go about calculating this for this problem. I'm going to start another video because I'm about to have a little cough attack. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.